Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on a Bitcoin chart and it is 4-hour time frame, and we had this trend line in the bigger time frame, in the daily time frame. The price touched that and started falling. I told you that we have two trend lines, this trend line and also this one. With the break of each of them to the upside or to the downside, we can enter buy and sell positions in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, you can see this one, the price tried to break to the upside and it couldn't. The body of the candle couldn't close the body of itself out of the trend line, so but it broke actually this trend line to the downside right here, and we can actually enter sell position here like this one, put our stop loss above the candle and look for risk to reward 2, and we should wait for the price to give us our reward. And let's check lower time frames like 15-minute time frame to see what we have. We can have a support like this, okay, in lower time frames, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and a trend line like this one. Okay, in a 4-hour time frame it is actually downward, the trend is downward. Okay, but right now in 15-minute time frame the thing is happening is like this. Okay, we have a trend line here. With the break of this in the 15-minute time frame to the upside, we can enter buy position. Okay, and also we have this support here with actually a nice candle on that, we can enter buy position too. But in the 4-hour time frame that the trend is downward, and actually by our analysis the Bitcoin price should drop in the next couple of days. And let's check 1-minute time frame. The candles of 1-minute time frame in crypto are not nice. Okay, they are just they are not nice. Like, look at these candles here. Look, what can you do with that? Oh my god, let me clean it. Come on, what can you decide based on these candles here? What you gonna do? But in forex, like gold, silver, or pairs like Euro USD and others, the actually candles in the 1-minute time frame are clear that we can actually analyze them and trade them. But in crypto, 1-minute time frame is really noisy. Sometimes it is okay, but sometimes it is like exactly like what we see. And we have this trend line and also this support. You know what you're gonna do when this breaks to the upside, the price breaks this to the upside, we can enter buy, and also a reaction on that. Where did we go? We went to Ethereum. Okay, with the break of this to the down upward, what am I saying? With the break of this trend line to the upside, we can enter buy. Okay, and also a reaction on this support, we can enter buy too. But in 4-hour time frame it is downward, the trend is downward. And yeah, it is all about today's analysis. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the actually education part, and see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for daily crypto and forex analysis. It's really important for me. Please like and subscribe. On the first position, let me tell you that this is Bitcoin, BTCUSDT, 5-minute time frame, and let's see the positions. As you can see on the first position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2 touches, 3 touches actually. On the fourth time here, it was broken. The price broke this trend line to the downside. We can enter sell position here, put our stop loss up of the candles, and it gives us a reward of 3.5 on these candles here, on the body of these candles. Also, something that you should know is, if you see these shadows, okay, 2 shadows from downside and they are long. Okay, it's not important there is a support or not. These kind of candles with long shadows like this Actually, you know, it must be at least two, okay, two candles with these kind of shadows, okay, this long shadows, like this one here too. You know, two candles, really nice candles to the, you know, a signal to actually enter buy pin bars, and really nice. You know, I'm in love with these kind of pin bars. Okay, you can risk here. I do risk. If I was here, I was, you know, I had the chance to risk. Okay, I enter here, put my stop loss below the candles, and look for at least my risk to reward 1, because my risk is big. Okay, so I can't expect you know, big rewards like 3 or I don't know 2. 1.5 is okay. Okay, like 1 is okay. Let's go to the next position. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below these candles, or even safer here, and it gives us a reward of something around 6, a bit lesser than that, somewhere here. On the position 3, we did have this trend line again. Why I do trade with trend lines is because this is my strategy. I do trade based on breakouts and trend lines. I just rarely trade with support and resistances, because whenever I do trade with support and resistances, I lose money. That's it all. On the third position, we did have this trend line broken here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss up of the candles, and it gives us a reward of 3.6 somewhere here. And if you didn't exit your position with just one candle, the price starts going up, and you know, the candle closes in your entry point, and you're gonna lose this, you know, 3.5 reward you got here. Okay, you should exit your position or do something when your position actually gives you the reward of 2 or more. Okay, do something when your position gives your reward you want actually. On the trade 4, we did have this trend line again. Let me clean it. These are, you know, a kind of compressions. Okay, you know, the price is getting compressed here. Okay, with 1 touch here, 2 touches here. Okay, and 3 touches. On the fourth time, it breaks it to the upside. We don't care, it is a pin bar, you know, showing a sell position. Okay, and it is a really nice, you know, example of support and resistances. This can be a resistance for us, and this is a candle, so we should enter sell. But what happens is the price starts going up. Okay, you can enter here because it is a breakout for buy position. Put your stop loss below this candle and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward somewhere here. And if you don't exit your position, the price starts falling and makes you some loss here too, you know. On the trade 5, and the last one, we have actually, you know, a level of resistance, small resistance here. Okay, the price started going up from here a bit. Okay, started going up from here and touched this level and started falling, right? So this level, which caused the price this much falling, okay, this can be a resistance for the price. And when the price reacts to that level, okay, here we can risk on that enter sell position like I did, and put your stop loss up of the candles here and even higher than that. Okay, somewhere here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3.5 here, and even more in the actually next day, if you can see that separator line there. Okay, the day finishes here, and it is actually, why it is actually 3.30 is because it is my time. It's actually 12 p.m. exactly that time, but because my country is actually its time is different, it shows like that. Okay, maybe if you change here your time, it will show something else. Okay, it was all about today's analysis and the education part. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's really important to like this and subscribe to the channel. Really important. And yeah, thank you and bye bye.